Every day, billions of plastic bottles move through factories like this, quietly, precisely, non-stop. It looks simple, but behind every bottle lies a system built on speed, accuracy, and scale. These polyethylene terephthalate pellets, or PET, are transported via pressurized air to the molding machines. The process begins as the polycarbonate pellets are gravity-fed into the injection molding machine's feed throat. The injection cycle is complete. The servo-robotic arm swiftly moves in to precisely extract the newly formed component from the mold cavity. System. The robotic arms gently release the glowing preforms onto the stainless steel mesh, where they begin the rapid cooling. Here we see the flawless finish and the precisely molded neck threads of the PET preform.
The temperature gradient on the south side is still fluctuating too much.
We need to recalibrate the sensors before the next cycle.
Before shaping the bottle, every preform must meet exact specifications. Here we see the preforms entering the infrared system, where precise heat prepares the plastic for stretching. These clear PET preforms spin rapidly on the metal spindles, undergoing the precise heating process before the blow molding stage. The filament heats the composite, causing the surface texture to vitrify. Here we observe the preforms under infrared. The consistent yellow glow confirms an optimal and even temperature distribution. The synchronized transfer arms move with incredible speed, feeding the preforms into the molding units where bursts of pressurized air transform them. The high-speed blow molding carrel is the heart of the operation, rapidly forming PETG plastic into is the heart of the operation, where the rotary blow molding machine transforms raw plastic into finished bottles in mere seconds. Once reheated to optimal pliability, the preform enters the mold where it will be stretched and blown into its final shape. The stretch rod descends deep into the preform, preparing the plastic for the crucial blowing stage. The precise control ensures that the molten polymer fills the cavity uniformly, creating a perfectly consistent wall thickness throughout the component.
The heavy steel walls of the mold cavity define the exact contour of the bottle, illuminated by the intense heat of the glass within.
The beauty of PET plastic lies in its perfect clarity and incredibly light structure, engineered for precision.
Once formed, controlled cooling stabilizes the PET bottle structure.
Utilizing an air conveyor system, these lightweight PET bottles float smoothly through the factory at high speed. This high-speed handling system ensures the integrity of the standardized PCO neck finish. The equalization process is critical, transforming the slightly opaque preform into a crystal-clear container ready for use. Traveling at high speed, these bottles are rapidly scanned by advanced optical sensors, ensuring quality control. By optimizing the geometry of the thin-wall PET, we've created a lightweight solution optimized for efficient, high-volume production.
At this stage, precision replaces volume.
The quality control system confirms the integrity of each bottle, allowing the uninterrupted flow of the production line.
Uniformity is key, as the bottles are scanned for imperfections at high speed before moving to the next stage.
From raw material to precise, identical bottles, this system operates without pause, producing millions through pure automation.